Hey girl, hey, if you're a DIY girly like myself and want to learn how to keep my press-ons on for at least 2 to 3 weeks, keep watching this video. I start off by filing and shaping my nails down to my desired length, and then I just dust off that excess dust from the file and buffing them, and then I push my cuticles back just so when I place my nails on it gives that nice natural look, and then I cut the excess cuticles off. And the nails I'm using today is the BTartbox French tip, and I really like these nails. They really give the feel of acrylic nails. Like, they don't bend, they don't break, they last a very long time. I went in with the Model Ones nail prep dehydrator first on all of my nails, and then I went in with the primer, and it comes in a set, and I'll link it in the description box below. And then I'm just going through, placing the glue and holding each nail for at least 30 seconds. And then you'll see me cutting my nails short because I type and I wanted them to give a little more short, natural look. And then I'm just shaping them to the shape that I want. Next, I'm going to apply the builder gel that came with the kit, going in on each nail, and then I'm going to cure it under my UV light for at least 30 seconds to a minute. And then after I do that for each nail, I'll go back over with the top coat. Now, be mindful when you're applying that builder gel because it's really thick and you only need a thin layer on each nail. This isn't my first time using this kit, and I learned the hard way the first time, so learn from my mistakes and just apply a thin layer. After you've cured your nails for at least, I'll say, a minute to a minute and a half, you are pretty much done. And I just go in with my cuticle oil, and now you have a full set for under $100 in under 20 minutes. Let me know if y'all want to see more DIY tips from your girl. Love you, bye.